Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're having issues updating the Windows Defender antivirus built into Windows 10 or Windows 11. So sometimes your Windows Defender update failed and Windows Defender stated that the reasons behind the failures was connectivity problems, even though the computer has a completely strong internet connections. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to set Windows Defender service as automatic. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung services and then click mo lang dito yung open. So once na-open mo na tong services at dito lang sa services local at dito sa right side ay kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung Windows Defender antivirus service. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down and then select mo lang dito yung Windows Defender antivirus service. So ang gagawin mo is to select and double click, and dito lang sa general properties at dito lang sa startup type, so dapat naka-automatic dito. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung apply and i-click mo lang dito yung okay. So, click mo lang yan. And then, after dito sa services, and then other solution na pwede natin gawin is to troubleshoot settings. Kung paano ba natin gawin, all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so type mo lang dito yung troubleshoot settings. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung open. And dito lang sa troubleshoots, under dito sa options, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung other troubleshooters. So, i-click mo lang yan. And dito sa other troubleshooters, under dito sa most frequent, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung Windows Update. At dito sa right side, ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung Run. And wait natin na ma-complete yung detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. Okay, so troubleshooting has completed. And the next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin tong settings. And then dito lang ulit sa search menu, and then type mo lang dito sa search for app, CMD, or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then kailangan mo lang mag right click and select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. And once na-open mo na itong administrator command prompt, ay kailangan mo lang i-enter yung command keyword na sfc /scan now. So in all, small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word yan, and press mo lang yung enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan, and then kailangan lang natin hintay na ma-complete ang verifications into 100%. And finally, verifications 100% complete. And the next step, so close lang natin tong CMD at dito lang sa start menu, and kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang ito. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows Defender update failed on Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.